Mr. E here with another Tinkercad tutorial, and in this one we're talking about the Autodesk Design and Make skill badges embedded in Tinkercad. Now when you sign into Tinkercad, or when your students sign into Tinkercad, you'll see the badges here listed under your profile on your homepage. And you can click View Badges, and you can learn more about the badges available, as well as seeing what badges you've actually learned. These are also located under the Resources page and then Design and Make Skills, where you can learn more about the Design and Make Anything movement by Autodesk, as well as explore the different skill badges. I had the pleasure of putting these badges together with the Tinkercad team, and they were designed to support the types of skills and real-world opportunities that can be gained through Tinkercad. So if you click on any of these badges, for example, Design Thinking, you'll learn what this badge is about, as well as what students might need to demonstrate in order to earn this badge, which is taken directly from industry practices. This provides teachers with some fantastic integration opportunities to discuss in their classes, including career connections, where you can see how these skills are being used in different careers across the Design and Make community. There's also links to different Tinkercad lesson plans and projects from the Tinkercad Learning Library that could support integrating these concepts into your classes, as well as related ISTE standards that you can integrate into your curriculum, and additional resources as well for each skill badge, including as well as related skill badges that students might earn in tandem with the one that you're currently looking at. Now, as a teacher, you might create a class that you invite your students to, and in this class, you can actually award the skill badges. So looking at my roster in this class, we can see that we have the badges that these students have earned, and I can click on the menu next to any student and award a badge that they've earned based on an activity that they have completed. Now when that student signs in, they'll see their badge, and they can keep track of these real-world skills that they're gaining in their classes. Skill badges are new, so stay tuned for additional resources and ways to integrate these into your classes and projects. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.